Oh man, this is the life right here.
It certainly is! I'm so glad we were able to bring our snack to the shed to have our beautiful snack date!
Yeah, I know, right? A snack date. I got a lemonade and some Cheetos.
Those are cheese curls!
Same thing.
I've got sour cream and onion chips, Kit Kat, and a Sprite!
Yeah, they put the Sprite in the clear bottle too.
Okay! Oh, and most importantly, I have my stand!
Yeah! Thanks.
Give it back!
My Cheeto curls!
My Cheeto curls! Now get out!
Damn!
I can't open this.
Here, let me help.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yay! Thank you.
Now, as you enjoy your snack,
Okay.
I gotta do something important. I'll be right back.
Oh, okay. Cheeto curls.
Ah! Moron idiot!
Threw him out there.
I certainly did. There's no way he's coming back here.
Wendy,
Yes?
he's coming back here.
What?
I'm back! And you are not to throw me.
Oh, I am not to throw you! Who says that you're the boss of Wendy Tastaburger?
Me. Now, if you were a cool person, you let me have the Cheetos, you let me have the sour cream and onion, you let me have the lemonade, you let me have the Sprite, you let me have the Snickers, you let me have the Kit Kat.
Well, maybe I'm not a cool person!
Ain't that the truth? Because, for those who are wondering, she's an idiot.
I'm making you hate me on purpose so that I can be with Stan! Oh, Stan!
Can I have the Cheeto Puffs?
No! In fact, you can have a Cheetos Puff.
Thank you for the Cheeto Puff.
And if Cartman wants a Cheeto Puff, he can get one.
Later, bye!
But you already know I'm about to eat that up. You can have some Cheetos Puffs if you want some.
Oh, Stan! You're the best!
You're really gonna let a hungry kid starve?
You're hungry?
Yeah.
Have a Snickers.
Open the wrapper, give me the sticker, put it in the mouth. Wendy, no, you're not throwing me again. No, you're not throwing me again.
Struggling!
I'm refusing. I'm refusing. You're a pig.
I know Cartman's a pig.
Give me the Kit Kat.
Get off my boyfriend!
Oh,
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. You know, I could have choked.
Well, that's what happens if Cartman decides to stand on you.
Can I have a sour cream and onion chip?
Sure! Now I gotta open these.
can I have one?
No! Now get out!
You got yourself a sour cream.
You good?
I'm good. I just got a little shaky and I feel like my day's being ruined because of a fat...
Pig named Eric Cartman. Get out!
My idiot! You're making me bleed.
Kit Kat.
You having fun shoving a Kit Kat down your throat?
It's fine. I won't choke. Stan, I'm choking.
There we go.
The Kit Kat's out of my throat.
You might want to throw that one out. Don't eat it.
I won't eat it. Want a Kit Kat?
Do you think I'm stupid? Yes, I want a Kit Kat!
Here you go. Cartman, are you over here?
Yes!
No, let me go.
You ruined my date with Wendy.
Oh, really? How many times do I have to tell you that we're going to have a private date?
Why in a shed?
You don't ever ruin a date when you're told not to
Get
go to the
off me.
shed.
You are an
Second
idiot.
of all, when you... I'm talking to you. Look at Kyle when he's talking to you. Go home.
Oh. Hey, you.
What?
Eh.
Oh,
Oh, yes, sir, who are you? Are you in charge of the shed?
well, yes, I'm the maintenance worker, and I check to see if the shed is clean. If there's no snacks in there, no drinks or anything. But
Well, we threw out all the snacks that we were eating in there, but we're leaving.
Oh.
However, there's this one fat guy in there that refuses to leave.
You again.
Shit.
So you're refusing to leave my shed, are you?
Are they lying? I was about to leave. Move it.
No.
No. I was about to leave.
Don't worry about them, and don't ever call somebody a liar. They're telling me you're...
Are you having digestive problems?
Yes, they're telling me... Did you write this?
No.
You really think I would write something positive on there? You are loved, which you're not.
No, not again.
You ever write up my shed? Do you hear me?